guys, it's Monique. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be giving y'all my updated skincare routine. I should have filmed this video, like I don't even know what I was doing with my life, but here we are. I'll be showing y'all the products, my routine. I'm gonna be shaving my face today. I shave my face probably every 2 to 3 weeks. Because you know, hair starts to grow back and you just want your skin looking smooth. So yeah, that is a part of my routine, but like that's not an everyday thing. Before we jump into anything, please just like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for when I post a video. Please follow me on Instagram at @AmormoAsh. I did just start doing polls. If you guys want me to film a certain video, follow my Instagram, watch my stories, so y'all can know what content I'll be filming next. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into this video. All right, y'all, so before we jump into anything, I'm just gonna be showing y'all my cleansing brush that I use. It's called a heat and cold cleansing brush, and it looks like this. So you open the box and boom, of course you have your cleansing brush right here. So if you click down on this, it's gonna start vibrating. I don't know if y'all can hear that. And then if you click it down again, it's gonna vibrate at a higher speed, and you just do that to adjust the level of vibration. So that just helps like really get into your pores when you're cleansing your skin. If you click this top button, it's the hot compress. So that really opens up your pores, just cleans the skin more thoroughly. And then at the bottom here, we have the cold compress, which does the opposite. It really tightens the skin, it locks in the moisture, it closes your pores. If y'all want that non-textured look, which is what we want, you want our skin to look glass-like and just smooth, this is definitely good to use after your skin is
So y'all, this cleansing brush literally comes with a magnetic charger that just connects, and all you have to do is just plug it into a charging box, connect it to your outlet, and yeah, it just charges up and you could just use it all the time.
If you guys are interested in buying this, which I highly recommend, I do use this every single day and it made a huge difference, I will put the link in the description, so just click that link and go get you one. I'm gonna just start off with shaving my skin. So I just wet my face.
So usually when I shave my face, I use aloe vera, but I actually ended up running out. So I just found the nearest cleanser and I'm just applying that over my face. When I feel like it's lathered enough, I just take my eyebrow razor. Make sure you guys clean it before you shave your face because we don't want to break out or anything. And I'm just shaving in a downward motion very carefully because we don't want to cut our skin. I ended up cutting my skin before and that was like just not the vibes at all. So just do it very carefully. And yeah, we're just getting rid of all the fuzzies and all the hair because when we're done and we're moisturizing our skin, we want our skin to be soft and smooth and glowy. I recently just bought this foaming cleanser by La Roche-Posay. It's about $20 at CVS, and y'all,
this right here, I swear, will change your life. Y'all need to invest.
So y'all, I'm just rubbing this cleanser in, and then after, I'm just taking my cleansing brush and going in circular motions to make sure I'm cleaning my skin thoroughly. But you guys are probably wondering, okay, how did you find the right skincare products? So the first step is identifying your skin type. Is your skin oily, dry, combination, or is it sensitive? Once you identify your skin type, you can choose the products that best work for you. If you're unsure about what your skin type is, either consult with a dermatologist or like take online quizzes. They're literally all over the internet. And once you've identified your skin type, then you can assess your skin concerns. Like, do you struggle with acne, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, or dehydration? Once you find those concerns, then you research some products, right? So you find products, you see what everybody else is saying about those products. And once you find a product with great reviews, then you could go ahead and test it out. So you test it out for yourself. If you feel like it's helping you with your concerns, then you could go ahead and keep the product. And if you feel like it's not doing the best job, then you can still explore other products and see what best works for you. But I would say that my skin is more on the sensitive side. So products like Cetaphil, CeraVe work for me because they're for sensitive skin. They aren't too harsh or anything, and yeah, those just really resonated with me, and I've been using it ever since. So usually after the first round of cleansing, I take my hot compress and I kind of just rub this all around my face to make sure that all my pores are open and all my skin cells are activated at this point, so I can really clean my skin properly. So the next product I'm using is my cream cleanser by Neutrogena. This smells so good. I literally just love this product so much. Like, it smells so good. I wish I could just apply it to my face like a million times just to smell it. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing basically, rubbing it in, using my cleanser.
My skin is like tingling right now.
So the next product I'm using is the Neutrogena facial scrub. I'm just applying this on my face, and I'm just going to be using my hands to just scrub it. And honestly, at this point, my face is feeling really tingly, but that's just when you know that all the products is working.
I'm just gonna be using this. It's a lip mask collagen by Spa Scriptions, and it looks like this. I just apply this over my lips and I just wait. I just wait for a few minutes, and that lip mask basically just like lightens my lips, takes off like any dead skin on my lips, and really plumps it. I also use this Blackhead Eliminating Scrub by Garnier. I just keep scrubbing until I'm ready to just take the lip mask off, and I just wash everything off with warm water. So right now I'm just about to take off my lip mask and this scrub.
So yeah, I'm just using a piece of a napkin to just damp my face dry, and honestly this is a huge game changer because towels hold a lot of bacteria. I mean, you use them a couple times, you wipe your hands, wipe your face, whatever, and it's just a lot of bacteria just building on the towel, and then you just put it on your face. So grab yourself a paper towel and start using that, y'all. Okay, so toner from Fenty Skin is what we're using next, and I'm just taking a little bit of this, applying it to my face, and I'm just gonna pat it in a little bit. And then after that, I'm using my rosehip oil, and I'm just ending my routine off with that.
My rosehip oil, and I just put a few drops on my face. So I just kind of rub the oil in. Take my cold compress, define areas like my cheekbones. I kind of just put it in an upward motion, and this just locks in all the moisture. So y'all know I just add my little lip gloss because you can't be a baddie without it. Yeah, my skin is literally so soft. All right guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below and tell me if it was helpful for you guys. I will also leave the link to this facial brush in the description, so if you guys are interested in purchasing it, which I highly recommend, click that link and get you one. That is the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one.